welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I have a little cleaning motivation for you. I'm starting here in my living room. I want to start tackling little things around here for spring cleaning because we're only like 20 days away from the first day of spring. How exciting is that? So I want to start here with the windows in the living room. I hope this video motivates you to clean and get some things done. I am so excited. I get so motivated by watching others clean, and it just inspires me. So I hope that this video can inspire you in some way as well. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Raquel. I do lifestyle type of videos, so I would love to have you here. If you already are subscribed, just make sure you click the bell notification so you'll never miss an upload from me. I love all your new comments, all the new faces here. Hello, welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. I'm working on getting things out, prepping, just getting things done around the home. So today in this video, I want to share a little bit of cleaning, like spring cleaning. I'm doing my windows, the baseboards, the ledge, and all under the dog cages. I just washed their pillows, so this is just spring cleaning prep.
Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, if we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, you're about to lose me. Just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if we never opened up.
Now that I have the window sills and the baseboards all wiped down, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my grandfather clock. I will list down below the furniture polish that I use. I use 2 different furniture polishes to get it nice, clean, and shiny. And then I went in with some glass cleaner and wiped down inside of the mirror and as well as the outside windows. That's here on the grandfather clock.
You're about to lose me.
Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to wiping down all my glass and mirrored surfaces here in the living space. I'm going to wipe down this beautiful mirror, which is from Home Goods, and I'm going to wipe down the TV and the mirrored fireplace and the coffee table and end tables. So just go around wiping all the mirror down and then vacuum the carpet.
Gotta be so hard. Sitting thinking in my car. I don't know what we should do. Do you? Do you? You're about to lose me. Just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that. Forever's never Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house.
Now that I have everything wiped down, vacuumed up, I'm going to go ahead and try to move around some things around the house and see if I can get this little section by the TV together. At the end, I went back to the same result because I didn't like any of the styling, but I'll just share the things that I came up with, just moving different plants and bowls and all that stuff around the house. And I just didn't feel like none of it complemented the space, so I am still on the hunt to get the little section by the TV together. So I don't know, whenever I do locate something, I will definitely share with you in the near future.
You could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh.
Well, I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me on this beautiful video. I really enjoy every last one of you for your comments, your well wishes, and everything that I share here on this channel. You guys are so awesome. You mean a lot to me. I just want to take a moment and just say thank you so very much. I know I don't get the response to every single person that comments, so please do forgive me. I want to thank you so very much. They are read. I just don't have time, and sometimes I'll be having phone malfunctions and all that good stuff. Just real life really happens. So thank you once again for all that you guys do, supporting the channel and all that stuff. I want to thank you, and I will speak to you guys on the next one. Bye for now.